American-owned, family-operated. Join the Rhino family. Support a USA-based father-son business. Superior build quality, coated steel ratchet, Chromoly S-hooks and indestructible PolyBlend webbing. Secure peace of mind, knowing the car, truck, motorcycle, ATV, UTV you love is secure when traveling. Reliable performance, heavy-duty incredible 5,208 pounds brake strength. You get what you pay for. Top reviews from the United States. The quality of the straps, packaging, fit and finish is top-notch. These are not your Walmart cheap straps. And they threw in a handy storage bag along with some pretty cool stickers. I will definitely be back next time I'm in need of quality tie-down solutions. Note that the box in the photo was not included. It's just how I like to store my straps. As far as the durability, time will tell, however with my other items from them the durability is great. American made is one of the biggest sellers for me, and the fact that the quality is better than similar overseas items as well as the price is just a bonus.